Alright, we are back. That is loud. Ah. There's something wrong with the stopper. Stopper's not down or anything. This is totally random. Alright, so it looks like there's nothing wrong with the stopper. We don't even know what is going on.
We are evacuating the building. You can just go to the corner. Thank you.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Okay, this is real. This is probably real. Oh my god.
All handicapped occupants shall use the building's evacuation plan.
Oh, looks like the fire department's here. Dang.
All handicapped occupants shall use the building's evacuation plan.
Looks like we got a speaker strobe up here. What? Hmm? I'm completely clueless on what happened, but nonetheless, the alarm's going off.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
I was doing homework. All I was doing was homework. That's all I was doing, and right out of the blue, boom, fire alarm goes off. At first I thought it was like maybe an announcement or a computer. It's not a computer or an announcement. It was the alarm. I've never heard these alarms before. And it's a faulty stopper. It's going off randomly. Yeah. The alarms are going off everywhere. This is totally random. Why are the alarms going off? So is there another alarm I can photograph? Yo, look. Yeah, I got currently taking a video of everything. I think I know what the problem is.
No, honey, don't go in. No.
That's scary. There's nothing wrong with that.
Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Keep you all updated on what happened, but
Attention please.
thank you all for watching. Bye.